All right, I got a special one for you guys today. I'm out here in Sisters, Oregon. I'm out here with Jerrod.
Hey, how you guys doing?
We're out here at the Compton Ranch.
The Compton compound, Compton Ranch. This is where we like to do our off-road event planning and all of our builds out here. As you can see today, we're going to venture out here into the mountains, see if we can get some snow drifties on, do some smirk journeys today. I have a large group of my friends out here today, some people from Washington. I have
oh, we also got delivery of some special pieces for the
oh
monster
yeah,
truck.
yeah, we'll have to discuss that later on.
Okay.
Upcoming plans for this next year, you know.
Sounds good, sounds good.
But I got some people up here from California. It should be fun.
And in case any of you guys didn't know out there, I mean, this is just like a Ford playground. There's just Rangers, Explorers, OBSs, just everywhere. Even there's like a Comet and something else too.
Yeah, we got two 67 Mercury Comets on the compound. One's a Capri, the other one's a Caliente. But we have big plans, you know, upcoming this next season for a couple of those vehicles and some other projects we'll show you later on today after our snow festivities.
Gotcha. So everybody's ready to get bucked?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Just don't run me over. Or if you do, at least make it look good. As you can tell, it's getting serious out here.
This is what happened.
What in the smangle happened?
We're having
my sweep wibble.
What happened to the swib whip, Jared? We need an explanation for the camera.
Oh, well, I was gonna come around here, wide open a little bit in second gear, doing a little drifty.
Yeah.
But at the very last minute,
Your co-pilot said that there was something wrong with the tire?
Yeah, going to the left, and I stuck a hard left, and as soon as I got through the corner, I knew that this tire was flat.
Well, I heard you pack a spare.
I do. For this reason, we come out here quite a bit, and just about every time I come out here, I roll a sidewall.
It's on the bumper, you're right. I don't know if that works again with the truck, so.
Go for Broke Off-Road 2018 a little bit as to what he's doing. Now, right behind us, there is the start of a monster truck build. Now this thing had started off as a mega truck build, correct?
Yeah, that's correct, Junior. Halfway through, when I did some driving with Bill Payne, we were straight up racing. He convinced me that mega trucks probably aren't going to be making as much money as a full-size monster truck would. So he recommended that I just get my act together and step it up. So
today, oh man, we're all shake cam today. So today, as far as stepping it up is concerned, we've got some big boy shocks.
Yes, sir, that's correct. We have home built. Actually, Tim Manchester is the guy. Manchester Motorsports, Go for Broke Off-Road. That's my teammate.
Okay.
He actually built all of these in-house.
Okay.
By himself.
These things. Sorry, Kimball is dead today.
They are
some serious.
26-inch travel, reverse accumulator. So the bypass, or not the bypass, but the accumulator for all the oil. It has an internal floating piston on this side. But these are normally up here. And for monster truck stage 2, you definitely want reverse accumulator for all the hard impacts. And actually the shafts are stuffed up in here right now because we don't have the nitrogen in them. But these are 26-inch travel. We went ahead and bought 10 of them. Okay. And then we bought 4 spare shock shafts as well because I've already broken a lot of parts in the big truck, and I know that I'm going to break these parts as well, so it's good to have.
The next thing we're going to go over here, you're going to a Ford power plant. Most of the things I've seen have been Chevy.
Yeah, I'm kind of a diehard pain in the butt, if you would. I'm gonna keep my stuff Ford.
Okay.
That's the way I've always been. That's probably the way it's always going to be, unless somebody sponsors me a lot of money to be different, or not be different, be like everybody else. It's a lot cheaper that way. But yes, I am going to be running a Ford tunnel rammed big block with electronic fuel injection in it, and I'm actually going to do things. Yeah, I have a wiring harness here. It's all aftermarket from Ford Motorsports. It's got all the relays and the fuses in here and whatnot. So they're just minimal fuses here that I have to wire in.
Yeah. And the other big announcement, so to speak, a lot of us have always been like, man, someone should turbo a monster truck. Well,
yeah, it's been talked about
you're going to
a
do
lot.
about it.
I may be the first.
I'm sorry. What was that? I'm sneaking up in here. I bet. I mean, there's some things. I'm sneaking.
Yeah,
it's possible. Let's say it's possible.
Bill Payne's gonna let me in the rule books. It says you're not allowed to, but Bill pretty much said if I could show up, then he'll run me. So my plan is I'm gonna run it turbocharged.
And
wait. It has to look decent enough. You can't have trash in one of Bill Payne's shows.
Right. No, I'm not saying you are or anything. Not accusing you of anything. But yeah, we're gonna pop in here for a second, get a little peek at all this. And those are some serious work that needs to be done.
2-inch quarter wall.
There is some serious work that needs to be done between now and what event are you going to try to make?
I'm shooting for Stockton.
Okay.
Stockton, California show, malicious monster truck show, in middle of October, I believe it is. So we have a lot of work. We're buying a house right now. We're building a monster truck. We just picked up the shocks this weekend, so we're going to finish out a lot of the tube work in the next few weeks. Anna over here has been working her butt off, selling all of our t-shirts and all of her stuff to make sure we have the funding to do, what we need to do in this upcoming year. Timmy, he got the big trailer. His semi is ready to go. Nice. So we've been accumulating everything we need to do to go from you know, professional West Coast tough truck, you know, caliber, winning caliber trucks to monster trucks. You know, we're trying to get in the entry level.
Trying to
monster
move
trucks.
up that next rung.
Everybody's trying to make a step higher than last year.
Well, constant improvement is the name of the game. Let's check out these axles just for giggles. I know,
Alright.
because there's, you know, most people are going, like, how are you gonna make that in time? Well, we have the axles are here, the motor's here, the shocks are here, the frame is definitely started, but there's, you want to talk about a monster truck on the thrift? These big ones right here. Obviously, so what were you saying? These were.
So these are 20-ton case. I think it's 1470 series tractor axles. They're known as a Rockwell PS205.
Which I think it said back over here. Now I'm just
they
because.
have 529 differential gears, and then they have a 3.7 to 1 reduction inside the planetary hub on the outside, so it takes a lot of the shock load off the axle shaft. So we have the parts here to do it, but now that the snow's gone, we can start working again and not being frozen.
But it's super cool. And this is all like, that's the other thing, is it's definitely like, there's definitely like a make it happen sort of mentality, you know. And that's what I think is cool. And was this the cab that was on it?
Yeah, that's actually, it was my daily driver. It helped me move up here from California.
Dang.
And then that is the cab that will be on the monster truck. It will be
Is it gonna be a steel body?
It will be a steel body extended cab Ranger with fiberglass front and rear.
Crazy, dude.
It'll have a fiberglass hood. It'll have fiberglass fenders. It'll have fiberglass bedsides.
Which I have a picture of when it was mocked, and hopefully I can put that in there. But I've had nothing but fun today. Thank you guys for having me.
Yeah, thank you for coming out, man.
Well, until next time, thank you. I'll catch y'all later.